Hi friends, let me show you these new ice bags that I got. You get 50 in each packet, in each bag. Well, they are ice bags. You can get up to 8 pounds in each of them. They have like a classical ice decoration. And when you fill them with ice, you have this, string to carry them. You can bring these bags in your ice chest, everywhere you need to have ice for a nice party, for a nice outdoor activity. So I'm going to show you how much ice we can put on them, and the uses or the applications are limitless. Whatever you need to bring ice, these bags can help you. You could even use them more than once if you really take care of them and they don't get punctured or whatever. But they are really the plastic is really good. I feel it really strong. Okay, so let's try them. Friends, so let me show you. We're going to put some new ice here just to show you how ice will go here. Perfect. So you can see, then you can bring it with you with these strings. Really easy to use. I think it's a great way to have ice in your ice bucket, in a party, wherever you need some ice. These bags are great to bring it with you. When do you need it? When you buy a really large bag of ice and you want to have smaller bags. If you want to put a large amount of ice in different ice buckets, I don't know, any kind of use where you need this amount of ice, these bags are great to accomplish it. Okay, so if you need them, these are great option. Really recommend them. Thank you.